In today's maths class, we will measure the length of objects by comparing them. Children, in today's class, we will take different objects, then we are going to measure their length by comparing. For that, we are going to follow the agenda, show and tell, then we will have a discussion, then we will start with the exercise on page number 114. For that, our keywords are measure. The meaning of measure is किसी चीज को नापना. And length, its meaning is लंबाई. कितना लंबा है, how long it is. Okay, children?
Today, children, before starting with the book exercise, I am going to explain you how to measure the length of an object by comparing it with one another. Okay? To measure the length, children, I have these sharpeners. Make sure you take sharpeners of same size. Then I have these candles of same size, and then I have these safety pins of same size. Now we are going to measure the length. I have placed these two books like this next to each other so that we can compare the length of both the books. If we will not keep them together, we won't understand and we won't be able to compare them. Now to measure the length of these two books, children, I have taken these candles. Now I will start placing them near the book. Let's put the candle 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this book is 3 candles long. Okay, children? Now moving forward to the next book, I am again going to use the candles. 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles. Oh, there is some space left here. I can use one more candle. Okay, so one more candle is here. Okay, so 4 candles are coming here and 3 candles are coming here. To compare their length, we have understood with the help of these candles that this is shorter and this is longer, or the length of this book is more than the length of this book. With the help of these candles, we have measured the length of these two books. Okay, children? Open your Maths Express book, children. Come to page number 114. We have already done the measuring with the help of different objects. Okay? Now coming to the question number 1. Measure your pencil box and objects inside it with the help of paper clips. Children, I don't have paper clips, so I am going to use safety pins of same size. Children, you can use safety pins, or if you have paper clips, you can use them also. Okay? Now here, A, we have to measure the length of the pencil in our boxes. This is my pencil, children. Now with the help of the safety pins, we are going to measure its length. Okay. 1 safety pin, 2 safety pins. Okay. And 3. 3 safety pins are coming. So the length of the pencil is equals to the 3 safety pins that I have used. So what will I write here, children? So my pencil is about 3 safety pins long. Or if you are using the paper clips, you can write about 3 paper clips long. Children, you have to use the real objects. Like I have taken the pencil, you will take your scale and you will measure it and you will write your answer here. Then you will take your crayon, you will measure it and you will write your answer here. Then you will take your box, then you will measure it with the help of the safety pins or paper clips, and then you will write your answer here. So this is how we measure the length of different objects by comparing them. Okay? Thank you.